First, we're starting with one medium sweet potato and a couple of regular potatoes. Peel the regular potatoes first, then dice them into cubes about 3/4 inch, or about 2 centimeters each. We're starting with the potatoes first because they take the longest to cook. If you throw everything in at the same time, the softer vegetables like zucchini and eggplant will go mushy before the potatoes are even close to done. Now peel the sweet potato and dice it into the same size cubes as the regular potato. Keeping everything the same size is important here. If the pieces are uneven, some will be overcooked while others are still hard. Drizzle some olive oil over both. Then add a pinch of salt and black pepper. Now mix everything together with a spoon, or just cover with a plate and give it a good shake, just to make sure that every piece gets coated. So we're ready for the first round. Pour in the potato and sweet potato mix and spread or shake them out. Set it to 340 degrees Fahrenheit or 170 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. While those are cooking, let's prep the rest of the vegetables. Grab one medium eggplant, or you can take 2 small ones. Cut it in half lengthwise first, then dice it into cubes about the same size as the potatoes. And hey, if you haven't subscribed yet, just hit that button so you don't miss the next recipe. When it's done, add them into a large mixing bowl. Take one zucchini, cut it in half lengthwise, then dice it into the same cubes as eggplant. You'd think these two veggies are related since they always comes together, but they're not. Eggplant is family with tomatoes and peppers. Zucchini is basically a pumpkin that went on a diet. Different families, same bowl, and amazing taste in the end. Then, our always welcome guest, red bell pepper. Red bell pepper adds a little sweetness and a pop of color that makes this dish look as good as it tastes. Slice and cut into small pieces and add the bell pepper to the bowl with other veggies. Pour some olive oil, add a pinch of salt and black pepper over all the vegetables in the bowl. We're curious, what's the one vegetable you absolutely can't live without? Drop it in the comments and we will see which one wins. Mix everything together before we move them further. By now, potatoes are done with their first cook. Open the air fryer and pour in all the vegetables. Mix everything together in the basket so the potatoes and vegetables are combined. Close it back up and set it to 360 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius for 12 minutes. While it's cooking, take one medium tomato and dice it into cubes. We're adding this later because tomatoes have a lot of moisture, and if you cook them too long, they just turn into mush and water down everything else. Before adding them in, just sprinkle some pinch of salt and black pepper. After about 5 to 6 minutes, open the air fryer and first give everything a stir. This helps it all cook evenly and get brown on different sides. Then add our diced tomato right on top and close back the air fryer basket. While the final 5 minutes run, let's make the finishing sauce. Add 2 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar. Press 1 clove of garlic right into the bowl. Then add 1 teaspoon of oregano and 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard. The mustard helps emulsify everything and adds a little tang. In the end, add a small pinch of salt and whisk it all together until it's smooth and combined. Balsamic and garlic together is one of those combinations that makes everything taste more complex without any extra work. And there it is. Look at those potatoes. Crispy on the outside, tender inside. The vegetables roasted down just enough. Everything cooked in stages, 1 basket, done. Pour everything out of the air fryer directly into the bowl with the balsamic sauce. Do a final toss until every piece is coated. The heat from the vegetables opens up the garlic and balsamic, and the whole thing smells incredible right now. Now let's plate this up. Start with a base of fresh salad greens to add freshness and balance to all roasted flavors. Pile the vegetable mix right on top of the greens. Don't be shy with the portions here. Next, this is optional, but we highly recommend it. Take some feta cheese, dice it into small cubes, and add them right over the vegetables. The saltiness from the feta against the balsamic sweetness is a really good combination. Finish with a sprinkle of sunflower seeds on top. Adds a little crunch and makes the whole plate look put together. And that's it. This is the kind of recipe that works on a busy weeknight when you don't want to stand over a stove and it costs almost nothing to make. Anything you would change in this recipe? Share your ideas under the comments. We also want to give a huge thank you to our sponsors who joined to support us. It means a lot for us. If you enjoyed this, hit the like button and subscribe so you don't miss the next recipe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.